Hello again, my darlings. Here we are on trig word problems. So example 1, a ladder reaches 15 feet up a wall and makes a 50-degree angle with the ground. How long is the ladder? So here's our ladder, x. Here's the 50-degree angle with the ground and 15 feet up the wall. Well, 15 is the opposite and x is the hypotenuse, because if the building is built correctly, it should form a right angle with the ground. Opposite and hypotenuse is sine, so we have the sine of 50 equals 15 over x. Now we can't have an x in the denominator, so I have to multiply both sides by x, so I get x times the sine of 50 equals 15. Then divide both sides by the sine of 50. So x equals 15 divided by the sine of 50, or approximately 19.6 feet. And word problem, word answer, please label. Example 2, an airplane starts descending to land. The plane is 1,700 feet away from the strip and 1,000 feet high. What should be the angle of descent? So here's my lovely plane. Aren't I such a good artist? And it's 1,000 feet up in the air. Now, when they're talking about distance from the strip, they're not talking about the diagonal distance. They're talking about the horizontal distance. So here would be like the start of the landing strip, so 1,700 feet from the landing strip. Now, the angle of descent is not this angle inside the triangle. It's this angle. So the plane is flying horizontally, and it's how far down does the angle have to turn, or does the plane have to turn? But these lines are parallel. Alternate interior angles are congruent. So the angle of descent is congruent to this angle inside the triangle. Well, 1,000 is opposite. 1,700 is adjacent, so that would be tangent. Tangent theta equals 1,000 over 1,700. To get to the angle, we have to do the inverse. So theta equals the tangent inverse of 10 over 17. I just reduced this. And I plug that into my calculator and get 30.5 degrees. And example 3. A tree has a shadow that is 9 meters long. From the tip of the shadow, the angle of elevation to the top of the tree is 50 degrees. And we want to find the height of the tree. Well, again, we are looking for the opposites. We have the adjacent, so this is tangent again. So tangent of 50 equals h over 9. So multiply both sides by 9. H equals 9 times the tangent of 50. Plug that into our calculator, and the height of the tree is 10.7 meters. And that finishes up our trig notes.